So, how much more does a metal roof cost? Hi, I'm Zach with Van Martin Roofing. I'm an exterior consultant. Metal roofs are an incredible long-term investment, but yes, they do cost more upfront than asphalt shingles. On average, a metal roof costs about 1.5 to 2 times more than a premium asphalt shingle. Let's talk numbers so you have a real idea of what that means. The first one, high quality asphalt roof like our Tamco Titan XT system typically ranges from $6 to $10 per square foot installed depending on your home size and layout. Next, a metal roof, whether standing seam panels or metal shingles, usually ranges between $15 and $20 per square foot installed. Now that might sound like a big jump, but it's important to understand what you're paying for. Number one, here's why metal costs more. Durability. A metal roof can last 50 years or more, which is often double the lifespan of most asphalt roofs. That means you'll likely never have to replace this again in your lifetime. Two is weather resistance. Metal handles hail, high winds, and Ohio's harsh freeze-thaw cycles better than just about anything else. It's designed to stay watertight and secure even in extreme conditions. 3 is energy efficiency. Metal reflects sunlight instead of absorbing it, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer. That can make a noticeable difference on your energy bills, especially during the hot or higher months. Number 4, low maintenance. No cracked shingles, no moss or algae growth, and far few repairs. Over time, metal roofs also don't shed granules, so your gutters and downspouts stay cleaner. Number 5, resale value. A home with a metal roof often appraises higher, and buyers see it as a major upgrade, meaning that you can recoup a good portion of that upfront cost when you sell. So why a metal roof is a larger investment at first? It's one of those rare purchases that truly pays for itself over time in longevity, energy savings, and peace of mind. At Van Martin Roofing, we make it easy to compare both systems side by side, showing you lifespan, maintenance, energy efficiency, and total long-term value. That way, you can choose the option that makes you most sense for your family, your home, and your budget. Curious to see how much a metal roof would cost for your home? Click the link in our bio, a free no-pressure estimate, and see a full side-by-side comparison.